Okay, let's start. So, may I know about yourself firstly?
Okay, okay. Suraj, I'm from Bangladesh, and uh, I'm living Singh division. I'm in state of Singh,
Okay,
and I'm a businessman. As you can see, I have a shop. It's a grocery stall, and I'm complete my graduation BBS, Bachelor of Business Studies from National University from
okay.
2020. And after complete my graduation, I'm start my own business because I love so many freedom. So that's why I'm not try to job or anything work. Yeah,
Okay, it's fantastic.
I'm a beginner learner. I'm learning this language. Um, I'm learning this language maybe 6 months around because I want to go on other country. That's why I'm learning this language.
Wow. I'm also a learner. If I am talking about myself, so my name is Suraj Kumar, and I'm from Bihar in India. And actually, I have recently completed my 12th exam, and just I'm trying to learn English, and I'm not that much confident. If we're talking about my hobbies, so I like to play cricket as well as I like to read books, and there are four family members, including me, and that's all about me.
Okay. So what's your age?
What's my age?
Yeah.
I'm
What?
17-year old.
Okay. 70 years old. So why you learn this language? I mean, what's your reason behind to learn this language?
Uh, I am learning this language. The reason is that when I passed my 10th in 2024, so that time I was fair with English. I didn't know how to speak in English. So then when I was scrolling like shorts on YouTube and I listen like English speakers, so then I was very excited to learn this language and I thought I will be fluent speaker. Then I started learning English and then when I used to start and used to speak. So I like this process. Then I thought I will be learn and just I'm keep learning from that time.
Okay. So how many days ago installing this app in your mobile or
Actually,
laptop?
I joined this application 1 month ago, but recently my exam was going, so that time I was not using this application with consistency. But nowadays I try to speak and I try to talk with any people every single day.
Yeah, Suraj, you were nice. Yeah, I mean, your learning process is really nice because to learn this language is fun and learn because it is so effective for learning.
All right. Okay, I
So you
have one
try.
question. Most of the people they thought they think like I want to speak in English, but they don't know how to start speaking. So what kind of activities should they follow to improve their English? I mean spoken English.
Okay. Actually, I think I'm not a teacher on this type of people. I'm already told you, I'm just beginner learner. Even I'm not express my whole thing in English.
Okay.
I'm just learning. I'm a learner. But my point of the view, when you start your journey, an English journey, that time you so much listening practice. Listening is the key of speaking. I think. So you try to speak, so then you more and more listening practice. Because
Okay.
when I'm child, what to do? When I'm child, I so many words surrounding people, word father, mother. They try to speak each other. Then as a child, listening everything, and day by day, their brain, their memory is full of word of stuff. So that's why he or she automatically speak out your mother tongue. So I think listening is the so many important for as a beginner learner. I think
Okay,
so.
it's
As a
fantastic.
and one of is the confidence. When you speak, then you try to confidently talk because as a learner, even as a fluent learner, there are so many mistakes. when you speak. So I think when you speak other person, to speak calmly and confidently,
Right.
because it is the key of the fluency, I think.
All right, I'm agree with you because we try to speak in English, so we should try to firstly listen because listening is very very important. When we listen, so this English we can understand. Okay, it's a nice conversation. It's a